So check this out, guys. I was able to make almost $800 using this method, and it's so simple to set up that literally anybody can do this. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly step by step how to set up this very same method that I used to make over $780 without actually having to sell anything, using completely free tools. And I'm going to give you the exact keyword, the exact bait that I myself used to make that kind of money. So you can go ahead, set this up yourself and start making hundreds of dollars using this same method too. But before I actually show you this method and how to set this up, I would like to kindly ask you to smash that like button under this video, and also to stay tuned for more money making content. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so as soon as I release a brand new money making video, I can notify you immediately and you get to watch it right away. And now let's get right into it. So first of all, what I want you to do is go to OGAds.com. Go to OGAds, and if you're new here, you may want to sign up for your free account using this sign up button right here. And it's a pretty standard sign up process. All you need to do is just fill in your personal information like first name, last name, address, city, state, all that good stuff. Then just click on next step. And then this is the important part. In this field right here, why do you want to work with OG Ads? Here you need to write something that's actually going to get your account approved. OG Ads is not as simple to sign up on, for example, like CPA, Grab or any other CPA networks. You need to write here something that's going to show OG Ads that you are a serious person, you want to take CPA marketing seriously, and you want to use their network to make some serious money. So for that reason, write here something like this. Hi, my name is, insert your name right here, and I am a beginner CPA marketer. I have seen many positive reviews of your site from renowned CPA marketers, and I would like to kindly ask you to give me a chance to start my business with you. This is something that you want to write there to show them that you are an actual serious person, and they will be that much more likely to approve your account as soon as possible. And right here in this field where you hear about OG Ads, you may want to write that you've seen OG Ads on Andy Caddwell YouTube channel, if you'll be so kind to do me the favor. And down here in this field, how long have you been doing CPA? If you are a complete beginner, just select less than 6 months, and then just be honest about your monthly earnings right here. For example, if you're making less than $100 on the internet right now, select $100, or then just select any of these ranges. Then just go ahead and finish registration by filling all these fields right here, and then click on next step. Then just click on yes to agree to terms and conditions, fill in the CAPTCHA, and click on finish to complete your registration. Then once you log into your OG Ads account, what you want to do is go up here to tools and click on content lockers, and you'll get to the site where I'm right now. Just click on create a content locker, and you'll see this form right here. It's pretty simple actually to create a content locker on OG Ads. All you need to do is just fill in these fields. For example, name of the content locker should be, in this case, I'm going to show you why I'm naming these dark web links in just a couple of seconds, but just go ahead and select a name for your content locker. Then what you want to do is just scroll all the way down here and make sure it's selected redirect to another URL. We are actually going to be locking a certain website that I'm going to show you, and to make the content locker redirect the traffic that's going to visit it to the website, all you need to do is just paste into this field URL of the site. All you need to do in this URL field right here, you need to paste a site that you want to lock. Then just go to Google and search for dark web links. Hit search, and now we want to find a website that has a bunch of links that are going to lead to dark web. For those of you who do not know what dark web is, don't even get me started on that right away. This video is not about that. And for those of you who do know what dark web is, don't worry, we are not going to be visiting any dark web websites. All we need for this method to work is just some website that can provide this information to people that are actually interested in visiting dark web. So just scout through all these websites, and once you find a website that you're happy with, for example, I've been using this website right here that's called 91mobiles.com, and it has this article 10 best dark websites that you won't find on Google. And actually, if you scroll all the way down here, you can see it's providing these links, for example, to Hidden Wiki, to DuckDuckGo search engine, to dark web Facebook, and all the other good stuff that's on the dark web we are not going to be visiting right now. But all you need is a website that's going to look something like this, and it's actually going to provide the links that can get somebody to visit dark web. Then what you want to do is just copy the URL of the site, go back to OG Ads, and paste it into this redirect URL field right here. That's pretty much it. Then just click on create a locker, and you see your locker will be created right here. Then all you need to do is just click on actions, and then just find this URL right here. This is a URL to your content locker. All you need to do is just copy this URL right here, go to Notepad, and save the link somewhere where you will be able to access it later. Next, what you need to do is just drive traffic to this link. People will start completing the content locker, and that is how you're going to make money with this. Now, the best results I had so far was using traffic from Pinterest, because actually Pinterest is a search engine. It's not a social network. People are actually going to Pinterest to look for things they are interested in. And if somebody's interested in visiting the dark web, there's a huge chance they're going to come to Pinterest to look for exactly the thing we are going to provide them. The only small catch is we're going to put it behind a content locker, and once they complete the content locker, we are going to make some money. Now, the best part about this is actually if you're going to go to Pinterest and you look for dark web pins on this site, that you can see there's plenty of them here actually, and most of these are doing the exact thing we are going to be doing. For example, this one right here, if you go to this site, it's going to take you this Reddit thread about dark web. If you click on this site, it's going to take you to this site right here, again the dark web, this site right here about the dark web again, what we are actually going to do is create such a pin, but actually we are going to do this a little more clever. What you want to do is just go back to Google and look for dark web facts, but search for images this time. Search for dark web facts on Google, and what you want to do is grab some of these images that have something to do with the dark web. For example, I used something like this in the previous time I was doing this method, and I had pretty great results with it. And as you can see, there's some small explanation about what dark web actually is, and I'm not going to say all that stuff out loud right now, but what you want to do is just save this image to your computer, go back to Pinterest, click on create a pin, then just upload the image you have downloaded from Google, and what you want to do is just go to this title and write there something like this. Don't visit the dark web. If you do, things will never be the same. Actually, you want to make this title as clickbaity as possible, because dark web has a certain legacy that it's a forbidden place. It's not actually forbidden, but it's not exactly safe place to visit too, but many curious people will want to at least dip their toes, see what all the fuss is about, and they will look for ways to get to dark web. Then just go to this description right here, and what you want to write is something like this. Visit at your own risk. Please be aware that you may find disturbing or even illegal content if you decide to browse dark web. Then all you need to do is just grab the content locker link, paste it into this destination link section, and that's pretty much all you need to do. Just click on publish, and once you publish your pin, it's going to go out there. People are going to find it. I forgot to tell you guys this, but you may want to add some tags right here into this section. If you're going to start a new pin, I apologize, I forgot about this by recording this video. I'm going to show you how to do that in a completely new pin. In this section where you wrote the description, what you want to do is actually add a couple of hashtags. For example, dark web, add a couple of hashtags there as well. For example, dark web, Tor, onions, something related to the stuff. You can Google it very simply if you look for tags related to dark web. And then once people decide to take action and actually go visit dark web, they're going to visit this link that you provided. They're going to see this site, content locked. Unlocking will allow access to a premium content, and because it's dealing with a sensitive subject that this thing right here is, they are going to assume that actually to visit the content, they need to fill in the content locker. Now what you want to do is actually just go ahead and create a bunch of these pins using the same content locker link, but use different images. For example, go to Google and you can find different images right here. For example, if you're going to use this one, you may need to crop it a little bit because you can see it's more wider than it's taller, and it's not exactly Pinterest post resolution. But if you look into the related pictures right here, for example, this one could serve very well as a Pinterest post. Just go ahead, upload it to Pinterest, put in your content locker, and once your posts start getting traction, you're going to get traffic to your content locker, and that's how you're going to make a lot of money with this without actually having to sell anything. Now this entire niche, this entire dark web niche that I have shown you just today is just for entertainment purposes, okay? I do not encourage, this is a legal disclaimer, I do not encourage anybody to go visiting dark web, because you may find illegal and disturbing content there, and if you do decide to visit, it's on your own responsibility. But if you're going to use it as a clickbaity niche for your content locker, just go ahead, put it to action, make some money with it, and after you do, please return to this video and down in the comments, do let me know how much money you have made using this. And that's pretty much all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you hit the like button if you haven't already, and to stay tuned for more money making content, also make sure you are subscribed and hit the notification bell. Other than that, if you want to see yet another interesting money making method, try checking out this one, or for example this one right here. Choose which one you like the most. If you didn't like this method, you can try either one of these. Other than that, I just hope you have a fantastic day, and I'm going to see you next time.